So there was an experiment that was done in psychology that shook the entire world of psychology. So there were two dogs, same box, same pain, but completely different lives. You need to listen to this carefully. So here's what happened. So they were boxed and two dogs were put in two separate boxes, and each of them would receive an electric shock from the ground of the box. Basically, the floor of the box was wired for the electric shock, and every now and then, in every few minutes, they would receive a shock in their paws. So here's the difference. The first dog in the first box had a button in the middle of the box. Every time the shock came, if it pressed the button with the nose, the pain stopped instantly. But with the second dog, there was no button, so same shock, same pain, but there was absolutely no way to stop it. Now the results were shocking. Not for the dogs, but for the humans. The first dog, annoyed for sure. Nobody would be happy receiving electric shocks. But largely okay, because it had control. It knew, if the pain come, I can end it. But the second dog, it gave up. It stopped trying, it stopped moving. It laid down, trembling, sliding deeper and deeper into greater depression. Now here's the goosebump moment. The difference wasn't the pain. Both had the same pain. The difference was control. One felt power, the other felt helpless. And here's the truth about us. Sometimes it's not the circumstances that breaks us. It's actually the belief that we have no control over them that breaks us. When you feel powerless, even the small struggle can crush you. But when you know that you can act, even if it's just pressing a metaphorical button, you can endure almost any pain. So maybe what matters more in life is not what life gives us, either shocks or thorns or stones or pebbles, but whether we believe we can do something about it.